Well, I got her. I got it all ready for the dumpster, got it all rolled up, and here's a wire down on the floor. And you know what that is? That's the coaxial cable for the cable TV. Initially, the main cable coming out was right over there because they might have decided to have a TV over there. Well, I believe we're going to have a couch over here and we're going to have the TV over there. That way we get a nice view out the side of the river. And mind you, we could do it the other way too. We could have the couch over here and go that way, but we see more of the river going up that angle over that way instead of over there. So that kind of, I'm pretty sure that's what we're going to do, but you know, there's a thought for you. If you need the cable on the other side of the room, you could pull the carpet up if you have carpet with pad, and then see they just took this and they hooked it up right there, and then they ran it kind of underneath the baseboard the best they could and along the tack strip, and then they had it over here, and then they had this little bit pulled out on top of the carpet. Even if your carpet's already installed, that's okay. Get a carpet guy coming out and pull the carpet back, have him push that in there, whatever, okay? And then you can have him put the carpet back in at the same time. He could re-stretch this carpet if you need to have it re-stretched. Obviously, he's gonna have to re-stretch it anyways. Okay, so there's an idea for you. Now, you know, for us, here's the other reason why I'm showing you this, because our dilemma is, if we have the couch over here, and I don't think there's anything over here for the TV. I believe we want to put the TV there. Can we do this? No, we can't, because we're not putting carpet back down in here. I've pulled up all the carpet. I'm going to be pulling up all this flooring, tongue and groove, wood flooring, all the way up through here, because we're going to end up putting a vinyl laminate. Well, vinyl flooring, I don't think you call it vinyl laminate. Laminate is fake wood stuff. Okay, vinyl flooring in planks, probably about this wide planking. It's going to look really good when we get done. So see, there's going to be planking all the way through here. So we don't have a place where we can do this, do we? Where we can run the cable. So how are we going to do that? This is a condo. This is a tenant separation wall. There's another condo on the other side of that. Chances are we cannot get up into an attic. There's probably no attic up in here. And you know, this, luckily for me, this just happens to have a wood subfloor, which tells me, see, the air conditioning and heat is coming in from underneath. So there's a way to get underneath this floor. And usually there's a crawl hole somewhere, either on the outside of the building or on the inside. Because this is a condo, it's probably on the inside. And kaboom, it's in this closet right there. You lift that up and boom, you're down underneath the floor. And which reminds me, when we put the vinyl planking through here and they get in here, they're going to have to put nice trim around the edges of the outside of the floor area. Then they're going to have to put it all on our crawl door, and they're going to have to put a nice trim around that. And I might have them put a finger pull on there or something, which is dadoed down into the wood. And it's called a finger pull because there's a little lip on it, and you can pull it up with that, and then you pull up the door. So they've got a little bit of work there. Okay, so back to our coaxial cable. What am I going to do about that? Well, here's what I can do. Because I can crawl underneath this floor, and actually what I'm probably going to do first is we'll get the cable company out here and decide where the entrance is. Is it over there? Chances are it's that, but see, there's another cable there. There's some upstairs too, and we're going to have to decide where we go to connect from where to where, because upstairs maybe coming off of that line, so maybe we got to leave that one there. So either way, I'll have to use a flexi bit, a long drill bit that's flexible, and see, these both come up, okay? I can tell they come up, and there's, you know, I don't know if there's an attic up there or what, and I don't think there is, but that'll be the other reason we bring the guy out here, because we can do some investigating. But chances are I'm going to have to drill with the flexi bit, drill a hole down through there and have access for him, and then run the cable. We'll get a new one. We won't use this old coaxial cable. We'll probably have them provide it. That way they can put their ends on it. When they come out, I'll help them and I'll be underneath. Okay, here's your thing, and he'll bring out some coaxial cable, and then I can run it down through here, and then I've got to decide where to put it along this wall. Put a cut-in box, probably over in here somewhere, you know, an electrical outlet box, kind of like this. Put a cut-in box in there, okay? And then use the flexi bit, drill another hole from there, kaboom, right down through the floor. And then I can put in a cut-in box in there, and then the coaxial cable will go there, and then I'll fish it underneath here, and I'll have another hole drilled there. I'll push it up to him, and he'll come out of there. And then from there, it doesn't matter. If you have a wall-mounted TV, then you would fish up another wire and put a cut-in box up high for that. That way you don't have a wire showing. But we're going to put some sort of furniture over here, and then we're going to set the TV on top of that. Okay, so we're not going to mount anything to the wall. So we'll just have the coaxial cable coming out right there, and plug it into the back of the TV. Boom. So I've got that fixed. And see, I'm glad we're taking this flooring out. You never know what's underneath the carpet pad. See this big old brown spot? I don't know what's going on with that. That was underneath the carpet pad. The carpet wasn't damp or anything. That's probably still damp. I'm sure it is. And I don't know what was there, so I'm going to have to scrape that off, put some kills on, not kills. I'll probably treat it with simple green first, and I could get some bleach, spray some bleach on it, and if I want, I can put some kills paint primer on it after that, and I'll make that go away. Okay? All these kind of things you can learn on my channel. If you want to find anything in particular, you can go to my channel, YouTube channel main page. Ooh, look at all the geese going. You can go to my main channel page and click on playlists, and then that'll go through all the playlists I have on my YouTube channel. You can scroll down to the one you want. Painting, more painting, electrical know-how, how to install ceiling fan, carpet, flooring, painting, doors, anything having to do with doors, all that kind of stuff. I got over 50, I think over 50 playlists on just different things, and you'll learn all kinds of stuff. If you want to find something in particular, try that first before you go to somebody else's channel. If you like how I'm explaining things, how I show you things, you know, and I always post, and I always tell people, hey, I'm never going to post something on my channel that I think you can't do. Okay, that means everything I post, I happen to think that you can do too. Okay, remember that. I might even title the whole series "Remodeling a Condo," how to remodel a condo, or whatever. So I don't know what it's going to be called yet. Just look on whatever one this is, look at it and find out what the episode is. If you want to see some previous ones or some later ones, have at it. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.